Hey, what's up guys, this is Vikas once again back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to create a 4-step infographics like this in just PowerPoint. So this is our tutorial number 171 and I'm going to explain how we can create this easily in just PowerPoint guys. So without wasting any further time guys, let's get started. Here I have collected some color samples which we will use in this infographics. Okay, click on insert. Here you will find new slide option. Just click on that and choose a blank slide. After choosing a blank slide, we just have to create a shape like this. Let me ungroup this shape and show you which type of element I have used. Combine this element to get a shape like this. So you can see there, you can see here is the first shape, this is the second one, this is the third one, and this circle is the fourth one. So these fourth shape we have to create to get a final shape like this. Okay, so I'm going to create this guys. Come back on the new slide and click on insert option. Here you will find the shape option. Just click on that and choose rounded rectangle options from here and drag this like this. Okay, before moving further, we just have to copy this color sample from the previous slide by pressing Ctrl C and put it on the new slide by pressing Ctrl V. Okay, Ctrl V. Now click on the shape and you will find a blue dot over here. So you just have to drag this, drop left and right to make the corners rounded. Okay, so I'm going to keep it something like this much. Okay, and now click on the format option. You will find a shape outline option over here. Just click on that and choose no outline. Reference, I'm going to copy this shape from here and put it over here by pressing Ctrl V. And now what you have to create, we just done with this shape, and let me make it smaller like this. Okay, now this shape is ready guys. Now we have to add a triangular shape like this in the bottom. Okay, let me make the corners more rounded like this and click on the insert option over here and choose a triangle option from here, isosceles triangle option from here. Okay, so click on that and press Ctrl and Shift and drag it over here like this. Okay guys, just click on rotate option and flip it vertically and temporarily fill it with a different color so that we can differentiate between these two shapes. Now we have to put this shape, press Ctrl Shift and drag it inward to make it smaller like this and put it over here like this. Okay, now zoom in so that we can see this option clearly like this, and I'm going to make it something like this. Okay guys, and put it in the center like this. Now we will have to make this corner rounded. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose a circle option from the shape and press Ctrl and Shift and drag it over here to make a circle like this. Make it no outline option and put it over here like this. Make it smaller guys, a bit smaller like this. Okay, now put the circle something below like this, and now I'm going to choose the triangle as well as this circle and choose a merge shape option. Inside merge shape option you will find the fragment option. Just click on that. The shape will be fragmented. You have to separate out this shape and delete it. Now select all this shape from here and make it union under the merge shape option like this. Okay, now we're done with the shape. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this blue shape as well as this pink shape and click on the format option, which I have already clicked on that, and choose the merge shape option and say union. Now this is the one shape, single shape. The main motive is to make this shape single unit. Okay, now we're done with this shape. The next step, we have to create this shape, this bigger shape. So I'm again going to click on insert option. Here you will find rounded rectangle option. Just click on that and drag a rectangle of this size. Okay, Now make the corner something sharper like this and make it no outline by clicking on this option. Okay. Now I'm going to choose a background option for this slide. So I'm going to right click over here, format background. Here you will find the solid fill, and inside the solid fill option you will find a color option over here. Just click on that and choose a lighter gray color from here. Now I provide the color to this shape. So I'm going to select these shapes and click on the shape fill option and choose a white color for this. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I will make it smaller, guys. So press Ctrl Shift together and drag it inward to make it smaller and put it over here. But this shape is behind the blue shape, so I'm going to bring this shape into the front. So to do that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to right click over here and bring it to front option. I'm going to click on that, put it over here in the center. Now we're done with the these two shapes. Now finally we have to create this shape over here. So again I'm going to click on the insert option and choose a isosceles triangle from here and drag it over here like this. Now make it no outline by clicking on this option and rotate it to the 90-degree right. Now what I'm going to do, I fill it with a different color. So I'm going to provide it temporary color, like I'm going to choose this one, okay, and put it over here like this. And for now I'm going to right click over here and send this triangular shape back to the blue shape. So I'm going to choose send to back option, right, like this. Okay. Now one more thing you can see here, the triangle is rounded at the one corner. So to make it rounded, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the same process as we have done with this particular triangle here. So this is what we have to do with this shape, guys. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make it something, zoom out from here, and now I'm going to group this thing. Before doing this, I'm going to put a circle over here. So I'm going to click on insert option. Here you will find the circle, oval option or oval option over here. So click on that, press Ctrl and Shift together and make it a regular circle like this. Make it no outline and put it over here like this. Make it a bit smaller. So now I'm going to select all these shape like this and making it a single group by pressing Ctrl G. Now this is a single group of element we have created. So now click it over here and press Ctrl and Shift together and drag it inward to make this shape smaller like this. Okay, guys. So now we're done with this shape. So what I'm going to, the next step is to fill it with a different color. So I'm going to choose this shape. Before doing this, I'm going to provide a shadow effect over this particular shape. So I'm going to click on it over here and choose a shadow options from the format shape options. Here you will find that this one, offset bottom shadow. So I'm going to select this presets and you will find a shadow effect over the bottom of the shape. So I'm going to increase the blurriness like this. I'm going to put it the blurriness like 19 and transparency I will set to 68. Okay. Now again I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to choose this oval shape and I will provide a shadow effect like this to this shape. Okay. Now I'll fill this color with a gradient fill. So I'm going to select this bigger shape and choose a gradient fill option over here. And for the left handle, I'm going to choose this color. And for the right handle, I'm going to choose the same color. But after choosing the same color, I will find an option for more color option over here. So I'm going to click on that and drag this handle to the bottom to make the color darker. Press OK. So you will have to keep the direction, this one, linear diagonal, top to left bottom right, means top to left bottom right. This corner should be darker. So I'm going to choose the first option over here, and now we're done with the color. So I'm going to provide the same color to the oval shape. So I'm going to select this shape and choose a shape fill option and fill it with this color. Now select this bottom triangle and select fill it with the same color like this. Okay, guys. Now one more thing you will have to create this shadow effect over here. To do that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on insert option over here and choose an oval shape option and drag it like this, make it no outline, and fill it with a color like this. And now click on this shadow option, and here you will find the format shape option. Under the shape option you will find the soft edges option like this. So you will have to click on that and choose a presets. In preset you will have to set the shadow soft edges to 25 points and put it over here. So now we have a set of text as well as, so I'm going to put this text by pressing Ctrl C and put it over here, like pressing Ctrl V like this, and put this text over here, pressing Ctrl D, put it over here, pressing Ctrl D, put it over here. Select all these three text and make it a single group like this. Now we have to put the icons over here as well as these text. So I'm going to copy this text from the previous slide and put it over here on the new slide. So I'm going to put it over here, press Ctrl G to make a single group and put this text groups over here like this. Okay, so it's finally we will have to put some icons over here on the oval shape, and we're done with the required shape. Okay, so I'm going to delete this, guys, and let me show you which type of text I am using in this particular infographic. So when you will select this text, you will find Calibri body and the size is 9. For the subtext, this is for the heading and this is for the subject, I have used again the Calibri body and size is 8. So this text, this particular style, and for this title I'm using the square 721 and the size is 14, and for this number I'm using the again square 721. Okay, now it's time to add some icons. So I'm going to copy the icon from the previous slide and put it over here like this, Ctrl V. Okay, now I'm going to select all these shapes and make it a single group by pressing Ctrl G on keyboard, or you can right click over here. I'm going to select, pressing Ctrl G by keyboard. Now put it over here, press Ctrl D, put this shape over here, again press Ctrl D, again press Ctrl D. Now fill it with the different color. The same style you will have to follow while filling it with the different color, guys, and put here the different icons. So that's all for today, guys. See you in the next tutorial. Till now, bye, and thank you very much for watching the video, guys. One more thing I want to discuss you guys, I have already put the free download link of this slide. You can see here free download link of this slide on my blog as well as in the description box. So if you want to use this slide in your project without any cost, free of cost, then you can go and download the free PPT from the description box. If you want to suggest me some other type of steps in the PowerPoint, then you can easily do that. Feel free to write in the comment box, guys. See you in the next tutorial. Till now, bye, and thank you very much for watching.